In this video, we will tour a house in Sunbridge, Florida. This community features homes with 3 to 6 bedrooms, 2 to 5 bathrooms, 2 to 3 car garages, and from 2,400 to 3,700 square feet. Upon entering this single-family home, you will be greeted by a stunning open-concept floor plan. On the right side of the house, there are 2 bedrooms that share a bathroom. The bedrooms are spacious, well-lit, and equipped with ample closet space. The bathroom is modern and clean, with a shower, toilet, and sink, and the bathroom is easily accessible to everyone in the house. The kitchen and dining room are bright and spacious. The kitchen is equipped with a refrigerator, cooktop, range hood, wall-mounted oven, central island with sink, and dishwasher. Adjacent to the kitchen is the master bedroom, a large and welcoming space. It has a walk-in closet, giving you plenty of room for your clothes, and a private bathroom, a peaceful place to relax and refresh. On this side of the house, there is also a large laundry room, a useful and convenient space that makes household tasks easier. As a Tesla-certified community, the garage provides access to an EV charging station for your convenience.